Today we're going to drain and replace the oil in a Honda HRX 426 lawnmower. Before starting, you can drain the oil whilst it's still hot. We are going to show you two different ways to drain your mower. Firstly, you can use an oil extractor, which removes the oil out by hand. Open the cap and place the tube inside. Carefully extract the oil out of the engine until empty. Then, when the tube has filled, pump this into the container provided. Another, more popular way is to tip the machine over on its side and allow the oil to drain. To do this, place a suitable container underneath the mower, preferably a drip tray or a container, and rock the mower on the right side. When the oil has drained, return the mower so it's upright. You will need the recommended oil, which is SAE 10W30. The oil capacity is 0.55 litres. Therefore, you can determine this by using the measurements on the side of the oil container. To make it easier when pouring oil into the mower, you can use a funnel. Pour the oil into the mower. You will need to fill this to the high level, which you can check using the dipstick. Screw the filler cap fully on to avoid the risk of leaks. Then dispose of the oil in an efficient manner, such as taking it to a service station so it can be recycled. That's how you drain and replace the oil on a Honda HRX 426 lawnmower. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.